Alright, today we're going to be making alkaline vegan home fries. What you need to do is cut up about 2 or 3 green bananas, or burro bananas, what they call them. You want to cut up some bell peppers. I usually cut up green, red, and orange, but I only have orange left. So cut up some bell peppers. After you cut up your onions, you want to put some olive oil in a pot. About 3-4 tablespoons or whatever, however much you like. Turn it on, wait till the pot gets hot. What you want to do is go ahead and put the green bananas in there, or burro bananas, whatever you want to call them. Now this is supposed to taste like hash browns, you know, or like, what do you call that? I forgot the name. But anyway, they're supposed to resemble potatoes, basically, like home fries. But it's burro bananas. Some people call it green bananas. So you let these brown a little bit before you add your bell peppers and your onions. Remember, I usually get different type of bell peppers, orange ones, green ones, and red ones. But I only got orange today, so it's best if you cook it on high heat. Let that brown up a little before adding your onions. We're going to be using sea salt. Season to taste. After this, you want to add your seasoning. Cover it up, let it simmer a little bit. Next thing you want to do is add your cayenne pepper. Then you want to add your habanero pepper spice. The spice is completely optional. Now you want to add some thyme. A little bit of herbs. And that's it.